Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G82. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now, you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back. And now let's select gift card. Select card you would like to add. And now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.